For tool making and mold making in particular, perfect surfaces are the challenge for stock removal. The CAM data does not always supply all the information necessary for this. The top surface function that can be selected in cycle 832 results in the finest surfaces, mostly independent of the data quality. Irregular scatter plots of a milling path of the NC program are smoothed by this function, and the surface quality is improved significantly. The function also optimizes the acceleration and jerk behavior so that the machine runs more smoothly and wear and tear is minimized. The more precise movement along the milling paths with higher accuracy optimizes the surface quality and the machining times. Top surface. Perfect milling workpiece surfaces with SINUMERIK.